But it's not all zen serenity. A red fox. He can easily tackle a full-grown crane. But the fox is not their only concern. White-tailed eagles are gathering too. In winter, these bird hunters move inland from the coast. Then, the emperor of eagles arrives, a Steller's, one of the biggest eagles in the world. The cranes are hopelessly outnumbered by some of their worst enemies, but none try to get away. These brave birds are quite prepared to stand their ground. They know they are not the eagle's real target. For here, a strange alliance has developed. The predators have learnt to scavenge on the free handouts meant for the cranes.